Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can back up and restore Steam games. So first, open your Steam app. While you are in a Steam app, click the Library tab. As you can see, these are all the games that are already installed. For example, I have Left 4 Dead 2. So all you have to do is right-click the game you want to back up. After that, click Properties. As you can see, we are in the Property tab. So all you have to do is click the Installed Files tab. While we are in the Installed Files tab, click Backup Game Files. After you click it, click Browse. For example, you want to put your backup on the D drive. Make sure to create your folder where you want to put your backup. So mine is Left 4 Dead 2. So I click it, and I will click Select Folder. After that, click Create Backup. To restore the game, all you have to do is click Steam at the upper left of your Steam app. While you are at it, click Restore the game. Click Browse. Select the folder where you want to put your game back up, and then click Select Folder. After that, click Restore Backup, and that's it. That's how to back up and restore Steam games. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.